Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've taken this a million times. I just can't get it right. I just have to accept it. I will never be a professional YouTuber, okay? Will never be. So let's just stop fronting and get into this video. Today's video will be a cleaning video. I will do, see, I'm messing up already. I will be cleaning all my baseboards, my bathrooms, and my doors. Because yeah, we need to clean those. And I will be dusting because we're doing drywall right now and everything is dusty. Well, not me, but everything else is dusty. Yeah, everything else is dusty. If you are new here, I would really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and join the chaos. If not, and I understand, I really do understand. Make sure you're liking this video. Well, make sure you like my videos. Well, I sound desperate. Well, just hit the little finger thing. Is it a finger? Is it a hand? I don't know. Just hit it and leave a comment. I'll respond, I promise. I mean, you don't have to. I'm not telling you what to do, but yeah, it would really help my channel. I feel really desperate right about now, but if you are here for cleaning motivation, this is the video for you. If you haven't seen my last one, I will link it somewhere around here so you can go and watch it after this one. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean with me. The first thing I like to do when I clean is put my hair up. Nothing is more annoying than hair in your face when you're trying to clean, so I always try to get the hair out of my face. And then after that, we're gonna be doing my everyday routine where I make the beds. I make sure everything is tidy up, the bathrooms, and then after that, I believe laundry is up next, and then after that I believe baseboards and the stairs, the baseboard on the stairs and all the trim on that, and then we're gonna be cooking some meals around here. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Take it all back, hate the things that you said, cause I wish you didn't mean it. Under attack, running far, far away, and I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep end, let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night. Confession I shouldn't have spoke, cause you didn't feel the same way about me, and it's eating me alive all of the time. So I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep end, let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night.
So with the coronavirus that's going on and all the kids are at home, I am now in charge of their schooling. Well, for two of them, my two private school kids, their teacher actually teach them online. So she sits in front of them. Well, he or she. Well, he, she sits in front of them and actually teach them throughout the day. My public school kids, I am in charge of them. And then I have the toddler that I have to ensure that she gets dressed, because if not, she'll be in PJs all day. And my husband does not like that. He likes for when he comes home, she's, you know, put together and look decent. You know what I mean? And it's been hard, but we're slowly getting used to this routine. Comment down below if you guys are struggling as well. Let me know that I'm not alone, and we can talk in the comment section.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
A car. No, that doesn't go in there. Okay, put the shirt in, and then we'll go put the other one, okay? It's your baby sock when you were a baby. Let's wash it so we can put it away. All right, and you have that. That's it. Come on. Okay. Good job. All right. Okay. It's not a toy. That's not a toy. Yeah, it's for the vacuum. It's not a toy. Not a toy. Pass that off. Thank you. All right. Moving on. Love every opportunity that my toddler gets to help out, because it teaches her responsibility and that, hey, I can help out no matter how small I am, and I accept her help whenever she offers.
You're feeling something, yeah. You cannot control. Just in time you came and you changed all my perspective. Just in time you came and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have you in my life, make me feel so lucky, feel so lucky, yeah. It's so great to have you in my life, make me feel so lucky, feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky, feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky, feel so lucky, feel so lucky. You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. You're feeling something, yeah. You cannot control. Just in time you came and you changed all my perspective. Just in time you came and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have you in my life, make me feel so lucky, feel so lucky, yeah. It's so great to have you in my life, make me feel so lucky, feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky, feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky, feel so lucky, feel
So I have to stop because I have to go drop off work for the kids for their school and pick up work to bring back for the private school kids. So it's 12:20. I put dinner on already, so dinner's going. I don't have to worry about that. So I have to come back and finish up cleaning before the husband get home. I hope he doesn't get off early today because I still have a ton of stuff to do. That's your report card. Okay, so pick up for work for school. I got Jackson's from his teacher. She's here. Oh, she's so dedicated. She's here. Well, she's the principal, so she's here. This little Missy picked up all her stuff, so we're gonna head back home and finish the cleaning. Say hi, Mad. All right, we're gonna go home now.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every day I feel time slipping, passing, skipping by. All the words I could say just can't really seem to stay. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus.
Guys, come get your dinner. Come on, guys. Is it good? Okay. Wait for Grace. We're gonna say Grace, okay? So anyways, this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you come back here on Monday. We will be doing, I don't know, comment down below what you guys want to see me clean, and I will try my best to clean it. But come back on Monday, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.